The Lane Departure Warning (LDW) and Intelligent Lane Intervention (ILI) systems are activated at speeds of approximately 37 miles per hour and above when the lane markings and road edges are clear. These systems monitor the lane markers on the traveling lane using a camera unit located in front of the inside mirror when the lane markings are clear. The LDW system is activated when the camera detects that the vehicle is approaching the left or the right side of the traveling lane. The steering wheel will vibrate, and the lane departure warning indicator light will blink in the instrument panel. When ILI is activated, the system helps assist the driver return the vehicle to the center of the traveling lane. This switch is used to turn the ILI system on and off, which is activated by the same conditions as the LDW system. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings: driver assistance, lane assist, then warning or intervention to enable or disable the system. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.